Good afternoon, everybody. We are back, and it is a little warm outside when the sun's out, but there's a lot of clouds as well. We got Dark Bro FI first, Pudgy. Oh, so close, man. Pudgy. We got Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro 1776. What's going on, man? PS5. We got Dark Bro Kenneth, Dark Bro DD214, Dark Bro, Pika Power, PS5. All of you guys, you know what time it is. Let's jump into the market and see what is going on right now. Appreciate everybody for being in here. We've got AMC falling down a little bit after hours, already losing 1% after a beautiful 7% gain today to finish at $4 per share. I actually do not believe that AMC has bounced all the way back to $4 per share. I have no idea why AMC is trading at $4 per share. It makes literally zero sense knowing that Ape is the exact same company trading at $2.21 a share. So for all of the unintelligent people that are buying AMC for $4, basically a 100% premium, why? Why are you doing that? Ape is literally the same company, and in the next couple of days, there will be no difference between the two. Buy the one that's on sale, okay? If you want to own it, buy the one that's on sale. Do yourself a favor. Appreciate that. M. Lau, me or somebody else, not knowing. Let's see, super scamming this guy. Everything he says is a lie. Oh, golden coin. I thought it was a good comment at first. I thought you were appreciating something, but then you technically weren't. So, a golden coin. Glad to have you in here. I would like you to point out what you think is scammy. If it's from me, if it's from Shitoshi, still point it out, man. No empty allegations in here. No, just I don't know, upset spewing. You gotta come on with facts. Let us know. You get AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. Closed the day at 402, sitting at 399 after hours. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 869 right now. GameStop 1838 at the close. Bitcoin sitting at 27,865. NASDAQ closing down today, man. Losing over 1% on the day, and man, if it does not hold this level right here, we could be coming all the way back down to 12,000, another 10% loss on the NASDAQ, which would be a huge decline, guys. Get ready for bear market 2.0 if this thing continues to fall from here, and we see another 10% decline. That is going to be a tough pill to swallow. AMC 402, GameStop 1838, 6.5 cents on Dogecoin, man. Doge is coming down very heavy, very fast to major levels of support right here at that 6 cent mark. So watch out for Dogecoin. Ethereum doing the same thing, man. Ethereum coming down heavy, breaking major levels of support at that $1,800 mark. Currently sitting at $1,736. Shiba Inu coin, $869. Huge reversion there. Reversion? Is that a word? I don't even know. Breaking this ascending trend level that we had on the daily, might be coming all the way back down to 800 points per coin. Hopefully we get a bounce before then, though, and we're retesting that 1,000 point per coin mark. Bitcoin sitting at 27,868, also looking like it wants to touch 27,000 flat. Mullen Auto getting destroyed, getting the life kicked out of it today. Oh my gosh, dude. Just in the last half hour, Mullen Auto going from 90 cents to 77 cents. Wild activity on Mullen Auto. $1.77 on Sundial, The Spy, 436. Netflix, 403. Highcroft Mining, 356 tenths of a cent, right? 35.6 cents. QQQ 358. Ape sitting at 219. MPW 750. Tesla all the way down to 219. Oh my god, dude. Tesla getting ripped again today. Another 3% loss. Literally down all stinking day. Tesla on its way back down to test $200 per share. So watch out for Tesla, guys. It's dropping, and it's dropping heavy, and most likely it won't stop until it touches 200, and then if it falls from there, you're getting a major discount on Tesla once again. Innovix, 1389, breaking a major level of ascending support there. Watch out for Innovix. Might take that off the chart now since J-Bones is out of it. PID, 1720. Joby, 703. We're going to watch Bitcoin as the entire market really is looking like it's beginning bear market 2.0 once again. 1776, 9 months of bro, dude. Shibarium, I think we've been had. I like the way you put it, 1776. If you guys are asking about Shibarium, yeah, we may have got 1776. I hope not, dude. I hope not. Hopefully they can, hopefully they can get that thing up and running here pretty quick. Oh my gosh, Queen Pika said hello to me. Heck yeah, DD214. AI and BTC come together. BTC 2M. Near May. What's the ticker? If you're wanting me to look at something, tell me what the ticker is. Zuka struck him down from Olympus. Yes, dude. I will be MIA next week, hitting up the Philippines for a week. But we'll drop some green names on some fast check-ins to make sure the U.S. market is still here. Kenneth, and the U.S. market very well could not be here. Enjoy the Philippines. Never been to the Philippines in my entire life. I'm sure it is absolutely beautiful, and I hope you have one of the best times ever, dude. Throw some pictures in the Discord while you're there, man. Let us know what we're missing over in the Philippines. Please do. Can't mess with our bro. No, nobody can. What? Remmer Palai? Water fuel reach all-time high. Near May. What? I don't know what that first word is there. Tarnation is going on here. J-Bones, nobody knows. Hurrah! The look of all of YouTube's now calling lower Bitcoin, 27,000, 28,000. So doesn't this mean lower for Shib, along at a better prices? So wait, or not financial advice. If Shib continues to follow the overall market, yes. This means lower levels coming in for Shiba Inu coin as well. If you look at the daily, Shib is probably, if it doesn't find support at the upper end of these wicks here, you know, at the 850 that we're essentially testing today, and these candles right here, if it doesn't find support and bounce off, you know, right where we're currently at, I think we're testing 800. Unfortunately, if we break that, dude, I think we're going back down to 700. If you're looking at Bitcoin, you know, we're basically right there. 800 on Shiba Inu coin is roughly the equivalent of 27,000 on Bitcoin. So yes, if Bitcoin does continue to come down and test 27, I think that Shib is most likely going to be testing 800. If Bitcoin falls down below that, 25,000 on Bitcoin, watch out. Then 22, then 20,000. The strange thing is, okay, Bitcoin has had a nice rally throughout 2023. Shiba Inu coin has not had the same rally throughout 2023. I don't know how low Shib will go if Bitcoin comes back down and is testing $20,000 per coin again. Shib could lose it. Shib could lose it if Bitcoin is testing 20. If Bitcoin is testing 20,000, Shib may lose it in the sense that we would be touching lows that we have not yet seen since Shiba Inu coin busted out onto the scene. Let's see. Q short term, a little lower, J-Bones. We'll look at that in 2 seconds after I say, Mr. Simon, man, you pour the salt out on the table and throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck and because it tastes so good. But it gets in your eyes every time and it stinks. Mr. Palomino, glad to have you in here, man. My goodness. Simon, thank you very much for being in here, and thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, QQQ or the NASDAQ, either one, whichever one you want to look at. What are you looking at here for the short term on the QQQ? Well, I think I have one extra line of support on the NASDAQ chart as opposed to the QQQ here. But you've got a little area of possible hesitation. Now, the thing that sucks, man, we just broke to the downside of this beautiful higher lows ascending trend line that we have been hitting all 2023. Yesterday and today broke us down below. So yesterday we broke, today we confirmed. If we do find resist or support right away, it would be in this area that we're at right now. Okay, wicking up here, taking about a week to pass through. Coming down, bouncing off of it is support. So we may find a little bit of support in the area that we're in right now at about this 355 to 358 level. If we do not, and it doesn't get held up at 345, dude, we're coming down to 335. Now, a lot of people are turning negative on the stock market, and you guys know that Michael Burry's out there with what, like over $1 billion in puts on the QQQ and the SPY. So a lot of people are betting heavy on a crash. A lot of stuff that I've seen floating around right now, the bond markets here in the United States and the United Kingdom are spiraling out of control and declining heavily. People believe that the stock market will be next. Look, I'm not a doom and gloom type of a bear, right? Where everything, and I gotta post fire on every single one of my thumbnails and the weird screenshots and all that stuff because I believe that the world is going to end. But a lot of people, they feed into that. And if bond markets really do see some sort of a crash, if raising interest rates to these obscene levels really causes more problems than it does solutions, yeah, dude, we're on our way back down. Now, how far down do we come? Do we retest these lows? I would find it so hard to believe at this point that we see like a 30% decline or a 20% decline to come back down and test these not all-time lows, but near recent lows that we've seen during this bear market. But this is still a heavy fall. This is still a very heavy decline if we're going from 360, losing 10% down to 330. So negative in the short term. It just crossed below that ascending trend line on the QQQ, man. Watch out for it. Ponders from calls myself. J-Bones, dude. Calls if you get a bounce off this level right here. Oops. Calls if you get a bounce off this level in here. I don't know if I'd touch calls just yet. If we see a rebound tomorrow, you might be getting some decent bounce off this tiny little support level that we had back in June. Otherwise, man, watch out. And see, stuff you want to watch out for. Look at Tesla. Okay, yes, Tesla may bounce off the area that it's at right now, but Tesla's on a major downtrend, really bringing the QQQ down. If you look at Apple, do we have? No, Apple's not on the watch list. If you look at, let's do Amazon first since I just typed AM. If you look at Amazon, man, great earnings report, yes, but has really been hit hard since then, coming down nearly 10% from those levels. If you look at Apple, over the last 2-3 weeks, getting hit hard, man, coming down, what is that, about 15%. From $200 per share down to $174 per share. And Apple might have support in the area that it's at. I don't know, it would have dropped through that. So $174, $175 here. It may have just dropped down below that support, wicking up, and falling down. It did have a little support in there. Boom, dropped down pretty hard on it. Another stock bringing down the NASDAQ right now, and doesn't have much support in terms of that. Meta or Facebook, guys. Look at Meta. Somebody just bought puts. I forget who it was. Somebody bought puts on Meta, and I said if it falls through this level, they wanted to know if it was a good idea. If it falls through this level, it's an excellent idea. Those puts expired last week. If that was you, remind us of where you got those puts at, because you got to be doing very well today, falling below that 292 and immediately tanking down to 285 on Meta there. Meta has performed outstanding since the end of last year. Like, look at this gain right here over the last 8 months in Meta, going from $88 to $326. Is it on its way all the way back down to $88, $100 per share again? I don't know, but whoever the dude was that bought puts is killing it right there. Another one, Google. Guys, Google getting hit hard. Not as hard. Coming down from 135 to 134. Google kind of holding its own there. Another one. Apple, yes. All right, I can't think of any other major weighted stocks right now. I knew Facebook was getting hit hard. I knew Apple was getting hit hard. Amazon and Tesla getting hit hard. So I would be a little skeptical of jumping in and buying calls right now until a lot of those stocks seem to bottom out and the QQQ starts to bounce there. Because you don't want to lose. I'm telling you, man, you don't want to lose on the options for the QQQ. It's not worth it. Bitcoin down to the bottom left at the moment. Every time I play Bitcoin calls, it drops. Then I play puts and it spikes a little. Yeah, outdoor smile. No, man, that does seem to be the way that it is sometimes. You can string together like 5-6 losers very quickly. And if they're leveraged losers, man, it's a tough one. Those hodl will prosper. Dollar cost average, baby. Moji. Yes, you've got to think of that long-term mentality. And I know everything you guys see floating around on Twitter right now is perpetuating the idea of, well, this world is just screwed. We should just all give up and sell now. The government controls and owns all, and they're going for our lives and all of this stuff. You know, I don't know if that stuff's true or not. There will always be people out there to get you. There will always be people who want to tear you down, and there will always be people who want to take what you have. And it sucks. You know, when it's your government that's supposed to be working for you, it's essentially working against you to tear you down. That absolutely does suck. I can't give anybody the strength to dictate what I do today and tomorrow. Don't take that mentality that they can control your outcome in anything. You and only you can control your outcome. Not even 8-Ball can handle a $50 stop at a $500 target. No, the 8-Ball cannot. And look at Bitcoin, man, touching 27.8 at the moment. Might be breaking back down. It is certainly following this trend line lower on the day today and hitting some new recent lows. So we're going to watch Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin kind of following suit right there, stair-stepping its way down as well. Are you going to go to the crypto concert in Canada for the release of Shibarium? No, Monkey Doodle. The blockchain futures conference is over, man. That was yesterday. I'm sorry, but Clear Value Tax gets it right every time. I think we will go much lower by 2024. I've been saying this for months, and that's why I haven't spent any money. Did he do that? I get it. Clear Value Tax. That's that dude that just stands in front of the gray wall, right? Look, he's obviously a very smart guy. It's a very smart guy. I agree. I've watched some of his stuff. Haven't watched all of his stuff, but I have watched some of it. Nobody is always right, though. Not me, not you, not Clear Value Tax. Nobody is always right. Dude, if we were always right, we would be multi-trillionaires, okay? People get things wrong, and especially if they're predictions. Now, it's one thing to try and predict what's going to happen next, and it's another to simply tell you what is currently happening. Of course, you can always get it right if you're talking about what is currently happening. But never put 100% of your faith into knowing and predicting the future. That's very difficult. It's a very dangerous. It's a very dangerous thing to do to yourself. Is believing that you can predict the future or somebody else can. I'm all about that long term, baby. If I hit something in the short term, then great. But I got the long term mentality, just stack and stash, baby. I love it, Dark Bro. Like my Moaz song. We got a Moaz song, Pika. I may have forgotten the Moaz song. Somebody sing it to me. So just how convenient is it that all the stocks are falling and yield max comes out of the exact same stocks that are falling that assumed to be swiped up for much of nothing, near free dividends? Yeah, I don't know how convenient it is, right, Kenneth? I don't know if it has anything to do with the yield max ETFs coming out, or if things are just beginning to take a turn right now. I don't think that the yield max ETFs are necessarily causing fear in the bond markets, and essentially fear for the stock markets if bond markets end up collapsing. So I just think that if this stuff does pull back, whether you want to load up on some long-term winners, I don't think Tesla's going to go bankrupt. I don't think Amazon or Google or Apple or Facebook, I don't think they're going to go bankrupt. They may have some hard times, Netflix as well. They may face some tough times and the price of their stock may go down. But these are some very, very large trillion-dollar companies that are most likely always going to be. I'm okay stacking that dividend on the way up, though, too. Shiba Inu to put. Nufo. New for the Pluto. Ahoo! Yes, new for, man. Shiba Inu coin might not be going to Pluto right now, but you are, my friend. Cash out. Wait and buy when there's blood in the streets. Captain Kronos, man. There kind of is blood in the streets right now. You know, a lot of the stuff going on in Hawaii and all over the globe. There is a lot of blood in the streets at the moment. Claire, do you have any analysis on the previous August-September Bitcoin trends? If it's good months to trade. Not financial advice. Love you, brother. Well, PS5, so yeah, we can go back and look. I'm not one that believes that monthly patterns have to repeat themselves and time frames are down to a T on repetition. So I'm not one of these guys that necessarily follows a stock trader's almanac that thinks that, you know, Bitcoin did this in August, so it's going to do this in August again. If we come back to August of 2022 here, we can clearly see some volatility, absolutely. But Bitcoin in June was down around that 18,000 mark. Had jumped up nicely throughout August to 25,000 and then right back down throughout September. So if you're trying to say that August through September is going to repeat itself again, we would have peaked in August. We would have had a nice run up. And then throughout September, we would be falling down. So if you look at that in terms of what's going on right now, you know, we would have peaked. Technically, we didn't peak in August. It would have been July this year. But we had a very nice run, and we are currently coming down throughout September now. So if August to September repeats itself from the previous year, you know, it would be negative, but there was some heavy volatility last August, September. So far in this last week alone, there's been some heavy volatility in Bitcoin just over the last week. But like I say, man, I'm not one of those dudes that thinks that each time frame has to repeat itself perfectly. I just see a lot of red on the screen. Let's see. Thank you. Dang it, I don't even know where the song is. Oh, this one? Is that somebody else? I'm not gonna play it if that's somebody else's song. I'm gonna have to play it probably afterwards. I don't want no monetization issues unless it's you singing it, Pika. Then I could probably play it. Let's see. I think we're going lower simply based on chart history. Yeah, did he do that, man? I think right now that the direction is down, so I do think that we could go lower before we meet some levels of support there. So Simon, I think it wasn't true or Outdoor Smile that won. It wasn't you or Outdoor Smile that won the 1.7 billion Mega Millions. Dang it, man. I thought it was going to be one of the bros, but it wasn't one of the bros. I thought Shy was supposed to walk away once Shibarium was released. Didn't he say that before? Anakin Skywalker, yes. He stated that once Shibarium is released, and the bone contract is renounced, he is going to sail off into the sunset, never to be seen again. Let me say this, man. It is going to be very tempting for a man that loves the attention that Satoshi gets, and the godlike presence he feels, and the superiority complex that he has developed, to just walk away from that. He probably should walk away, okay? He should walk away, absolving himself of any legal liabilities. He should walk away from being associated with the cryptocurrency project whatsoever, once again, to relinquish liabilities. And he should walk away from it all, knowing that he's made tens of millions of dollars in bone. But man, when you feel like the shadowy leader, when you feel like you've got the knowledge of the ancients, when you feel like you can sell $2,000 hardcover signed copy books, you want that feeling. You don't necessarily want the feeling of money. You want the feeling of power. You want the feeling of leadership. You want to feel superior. I don't know if it's going to be as easy for him to walk away as he claims it'll be. Clay, with AMC and now Shiba, how do you not feel like these plays just keep stringing people along while taking their money? So Chris, a certain portion of me does, right? And a certain portion of me doesn't yet in Shiba. So let's talk about that for a second. With AMC, obviously you saw that after quite some time of posting daily videos on AMC, I was unable to continue posting daily videos on AMC, and that wasn't necessarily because there wasn't stuff to talk about. Clearly there is. There's a lot going on in AMC, but there was a major mentality shift that I do believe simply started to focus on stringing people along. MOAS tomorrow, MOAS tomorrow, MOAS is today, AMC rockets higher, everything you see is fake. When all reality goes by the wayside, and when nobody believes everything that is true, and everybody believes something that is essentially hoped for and not proven, then you got to ask yourself, man, are we just stringing ourselves along? Or are we believing in the falsehoods that are out there? Are we believing in the hopes? Or are we simply investing and actually moving forward based on something? So I believe that AMC did turn into that. Now, in the same breath, man, AMC was essentially magical. If people did what they said they were going to do, if everything was focused on squeezing hedge funds, never selling a share, I believe that AMC had amazing potential. Dude, AMC was the second most Googled subject in 2021, other than stimulus checks. Think about that. Not everybody invests, but everybody got stimulus checks, right? And second to the word stimulus check was AMC. So it was one of the most watched subjects in the entire world in 2021. I believe we lost our way along the way, and people didn't want to be reminded of the truth. They wanted to continue following down some rabbit hole that they jumped into. So, yes, in that sense, I do feel like there's certain points in time to move along. In Shiba Inu coin, okay, I'm seeing similarities because, and you guys probably see them too, but after posting on something literally every day for the last 3 years, you can see some similarities. So because people have put such a strong focus on what the ecosystem team is able to accomplish and where Satoshi can lead us, that's almost the equivalent of everybody putting such a strong focus on Adam Aaron and where he can lead us. Now we remember that Adam Aaron is self-centered. Adam Aaron wants AMC, not retail investors. Adam Aaron wants AMC to succeed through multi-billions of dollars in dilution, and Adam Aaron wants Adam Aaron to succeed through multi-hundreds of millions of dollars in bonuses and future paychecks from AMC. He lost focus on what retail wanted. Shiba Inu coin was just a crazy meme coin that because it was running, it literally turned dollars into millions of dollars. It was a lottery ticket play and literally made millionaires out of people who invested $20. Shiba Inu coin was magic in that sense. Since that kind of faded out and all of the speculation and excitement from 2021 began to subside, people began to look for something else. It's no longer about, a FOMO rally. It's no longer about price action. It's no longer about upward movement in price. It's about what can the ecosystem team developers provide us with. And I believe that is a false hope and going down a rabbit hole there. So the good news is, though, I think that crypto in general is going to see massive growth. And Shiba Inu coin will be along for the ride when that happens. So I have not yet lost hope in Shiba Inu coin's just overall market reactions. I have lost hope in the ecosystem team. Outdoor, it's a little embarrassing, and it came out when Ape was released. We talking about the song? Is that what we're talking about there? Why good song restricted to Discord? Yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to play it, so I don't want to get a copyright claim or anything. I don't believe is 1 cent Shib. The supply is insurmountable. William, you are correct, man. Please hit the like button. Listen to Old Rounder. Click that like button. Adam Aaron told everybody what his plan was when he dropped Ape. I'm so confused why people are shocked about what he did. Yeah, so did he do that, man? I am shocked that people think that it's a good idea. right? I am shocked that people think it's a good idea. That's what I'm shocked about. I'm shocked that people are willing to give up the idea of scarcity in shares of AMC. I am shocked that people are accepting of the fact that he wants to sell directly hundreds of millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of shares directly to hedge funds, bailing them out from anything. That's the part that I'm shocked about. Not that he's actually going through with it. I'm shocked that people are on board with it. He did tell everybody that that was his plan, but we voted against it. So that's the part that I don't necessarily. That's the part that gets me. Adam Aaron is Satoshi's false. Yes, Adam Aaron is Satoshi, guys. Adam Aaron is Satoshi for sure. Let's see. C-word, free money, and FTX contributed to massive pumps we don't have either. Yes, dude. A lot of the stimulus check money. And in this, I have not followed this at all, but I see talks kind of coming back up again. The child tax credit, or whatever it is, child care credit, child tax credit, whatever it is set to resume. I believe in September or October, or these talks are set to resume in September or October, or it could be voted on in September, October. I don't know the entirety of it. My brother was telling me a little bit about it, and I saw it trending on Twitter today. Look, man, I don't think, okay, this child tax credit, get your tax credit at the end of the year, okay, if you need the tax credit at the end of the year. I don't think everybody should be on some form of government assistance. I don't think that. If you have kids, I know it's more expensive than just paying for yourself, but that's what happens when you have more mouths to feed. We saw such dramatic inflation because of all of the stimulus checks and because of all of these tax credits and because of all of these checks and free money and universal basic income being passed out to everybody in 2020, 2021, and so on. Yes, it led to a very nice bull market in the stock market because people were out gambling on meme stocks, penny stocks, meme coins, and so on. But look at what it resulted in, man. I mean, we had $8, $9 gallon gasoline in California. Eggs were $10 a dozen. I mean, rent is through the roof. Grocery bills are through the roof. My gosh, dude, I sit in the dark all day long and turn my lights on at night, and my electricity bill is through the stinking roof. The cost of living right now is it's not just a coincidence that it's up. It's because of all of the money that was printed and distributed. And if we're going to be doing that again next month or starting soon, yes, it could absolutely start another bull market run. People may throw all of that money into the stock market, which could be a very good sign for us, guys. But please know what it's going to cause out of the stock market. Prices will rise. So make your gains somewhere and use those gains wisely when inflation begins to kick back up, and all of a sudden, your rent's like $3,000 a month instead of $1,200 a month. So you've been warned on that. Hoorah fam, sorry I'm late. Riding some nifty sequel, stored procedures for work. Last time. Well, you know what, Gorilla Invictus? It sounds smart, man, so I like it. Slabby the likey fam, do it. That bill hasn't been voted on. Yeah, I'm just saying, the discussions are out there right now, Diddy. The discussions are out there right now. AMC shares on loan are over 200 million. Cost to borrow 1,067% on Webull. On conversion, he's only offering 25 million shares. At the moment, he's not dropping hundreds of millions. No, boomstick. So 25 million shares is the equivalent of 250 million shares right now. So it is it's really a 50% increase on the amount of current AMC shares outstanding. It's roughly, I don't know what the numbers are, man. Whatever 150 divided by 25 will be, I don't know, 17 or so, whatever those numbers are. So yes, it is 250 million pre-split shares that are going to be immediately diluted into the market. That 25 million reversed or post-split number you got to keep in mind, is the equivalent of 250 million current numbers. And that's a lot of shares, man. That is a lot of shares. And he's got the potential to dilute with like 20 times more shares than that. He's going to have 400 million shares to dilute with, which is the current equivalent of 4 billion shares. So don't let the numbers twist you, man. Some of the corporations took money, bought back stock, gave bonuses. The amount of money given to corporations exceeds stimulus checks. Yeah, I mean, all of it's bad, though, dude. All of it's bad. All of the, free money that was given out contributed to massive amounts of inflation. Coffee bin days. Always forget too tired. Well, you know what, Kombu? Glad to have you in here, tired or not. Guys, Bitcoin sitting at 27,730 right now. Daily low, almost 690 was the daily low there. It is coming down, and it is coming down hard right now. Shiba Inu coin coming down as well, sitting at 860. AMC throwing some green lines on the screen, sitting at 414 right now, trying to bounce back up. I would be extremely surprised if AMC actually bounces back up to that $4 area, or the $5 area, sorry, where it fell from a couple of days ago. AMC sitting at 413. We're seeing some wild action after hours right now. Increased volatility from what we've been seeing over the last couple of days. My cover code Zip Zero every month. Credit card? Credit card? Is that what we're talking about there? Are we talking about something else? Cost $50 to feed a family of 5 at a fast food place. Used to be able to dine out for that price. Yeah, JJ, dude, it's crazy when you got to go spend, $10 a piece at a fast food restaurant. Dude, fast food, you go to the dollar menu, grab a burger and fries, and you're good to go. It is crazy now, man. It is, and I'm glad that I'm not the only one that recognizes that. AMC is starting to roll after hours right now. Now I'm starting to wonder if the judge, in some case is taking some lawsuit somewhere to stop Adam Aaron from making the conversion happen. It's moving up. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. John J says fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, bump, baby. John J, thank you very much for that super chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. And fist bumps are the best, man. John J throwing the fist bumps out. I love it, John. 425 on AMC. It's starting to roll right now. Hero 35X Shib short from 1092. Closed 80% profit and riding. Boom, baby. PS5, man. I love that trade. Very nice, dude. Very nice. Let's see. Did you happen to get back into AMC? Nope. So Boomstick. I did not get back into AMC when they took those cover calls away at $5 per share. I still do have some shares because I didn't have like an even multiple of 100 when I had sold those covered calls. But I did not go back in and buy those shares back. AMC doing well after hours though right now, man. I don't know what this run up is, as Bitcoin is running down heavily. 27.7 on Bitcoin right now. It's nearly $2,000 a month for a one-bedroom. Friends and family don't want to leave the state. If I get rich on crypto, the California government it's gonna get me hard. Yeah, old rounder, bro. That's expensive, man. Move to Ohio if you want. You're not gonna be paying $2,000 for a 1 month. Or for a one-bedroom apartment or a one-bedroom house here in Ohio. It will be cheaper than that, I can guarantee it, unless you're living in some sort of like really, really fancy one-bedroom unit with all the amenities and a pool and spa and gym and everything else that you might not need. Newfo, thank you very much for the... Newfo, thanks for the King Milk. Newfo, thanks for the... King Milk. Newfo, man, thank you very much for the Milk King, baby. Newfo, appreciate that super chat as well. You guys have way too much fun, man. I'm telling you. AMC starting to come back down a little bit. Nope, it might be going back up. Just a little red candle right there. I don't know what's going on. It's red, it's green, it's red, it's green, it's red, it's green. It's ticking around, that's for sure. Keep our eyes on AMC. But man, Bitcoin, come on, stop testing these lows here. We want to see you move higher. Unless, of course, you're PS5. Then you want to see it go lower. Usually costs $13 per meal if fast food. Wow. Dude, you guys got to start cooking. You guys got to cook. if it is, I don't do too much fast food, but if it's $13 per meal at a fast food restaurant, that is stinking wild. Popcorn sales. Yep, we love popcorn sales, guys. We want to sell as much popcorn as possible. Claybro going long on Bitcoin, 75x, liquidation 27,200. Wish me luck. Good luck, PS5. 27,200. All right, guys. He's getting in here. Good luck on that one. Oh, 20. I already got a green line there. We know if it falls down below my green line, you're out of luck. But, dude, if you're making money on Shib, hopefully it works out for you. We want you to make some money. Oh, it's already turning purple. PS5, good luck, dude. Good luck. It's already turning purple and running down. Let's see. What's with the block? Come at me, bro. Dan, me or who, dude? Dan, you ain't blocked. You're not blocked, dude. Get your portfolio balanced to get your dividends up. Move to the Philippines. $360 a month. $360 a month. Let's see what that would be. $360 a month at Tesla's current rate of 70%. Let's just do this, actually over 70. So let's say we're making about, let's even cut it down even further. 5% a month off your Tesla dividends. That's actually giving you 5.83% a month at the current rate. 5% a month, 300 and, what did he say? 360 divided by that 0.05. Dude, all you need is $7,200 invested in Tesla. And if they continue to make the same dividend that they are currently making, you will have enough to live in the Philippines at $360 a month right there. I don't know if that just covers rent or what that covers, Kenneth. But, yeah, dude, $7,200 and you are good to go live in the Philippines. I'm cheering for Bitcoin longs today. Stop the liquidation. Drew, let's get it, man. We're cheering for PS5 right now. Bro, I cook 100x better food at home. Last time I went to McDonald's, I spent almost $40 for 3 people. Dude, it's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. And I do enjoy cooking, so I do enjoy cooking. Oh, that's my mortgage. $360 a month is your mortgage? Dude, $360 a month is not a bad mortgage, man. I don't know if that's your mortgage or not. Why is AMC ripping? FTDs? Benjamin, I actually don't know why AMC is experiencing this increased volatility after hours right now. It's not on high volume at all. You look at the volume here, and you're looking at 1,000, 10,000, 18, 12, 1,500, 18,000, 1,000, 10,000, 5, 15, 40, 68, 48, 79. The volume is not ridiculously high compared to intraday trading. I mean, look at the 1 minute bars intraday. You've got 235,000, 435,000, 75,000, 255,000, 90,000, 380,000, 196,000. So, we're not necessarily seeing an increase in volume after hours. 79,000 shares being traded in that after hours minutes. Not bad, but still extremely low compared to intraday trading. And, coming back down now. So I don't know what is causing the volatility in AMC to pick up after hours. I really don't. Smash the like button. Clay will get a banana, then a salt for Simon, and whatever I'm followed up by. I just might, guys. Click the like button. We got 122 beautiful people in here right now. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Where did all my profit go? Delia, Lunk, Shib, Pepe, Bitcoin, Rivian. It's gone. It's the South Park episode. It's gone. I wonder the same thing about my profit, I wonder the same thing about what I have invested in a lot of things. And that part does tick me off a little bit. When a stock price simply goes lower, you begin to question yourself, what the heck do I even have here? If I went out and I bought I don't know, steak dinner. That steak dinner disappeared, but at least I enjoyed the taste of it for a while. You go out and buy a new phone. Dude, you're going to have that new phone for 2-3 years. At least you got something at that point. During the bear market that we've been in for the last couple of years now, man, it really does twist your mentality a little bit, and you begin to wonder, what the heck and why the heck did I waste my money in a seemingly endless pit that does nothing but disappear? But I'll say, when you're in a bull market, and the bull market lasts for a decade or 15 years, like we essentially saw from 2008 lows, 2009 lows, up to 2021, 2022. When you see a bull market where stocks are 5, 10, 20xing in value over that decade, there's no questioning it. You feel like a freaking genius, man. You feel like you're invincible. It's nothing but gains that you see. And you say, why the heck did I buy a new phone? I could have taken that $1,000 for that stupid iPhone, and I could have turned it into $20,000 and had a down payment on a house. Why would I spend any money in anything other than stocks? So the current mentality that we've got in this bear market will shift when the bull market comes, man. And we might all be sitting here with gray hair 20, 30 years from now, but we will be very happy that we made it through probably multiple bull market cycles by then. Judge, you remember being a teenager? I'm scared of what my kid is going to be like. Oh, God, your kid's going to be great, Dark Bro. Teenagers eating out, it's ridiculous these days. You can't let them eat out, John Jay. You got to feed them pizza rolls, dude. Pizza rolls and ramen noodles like that. What else is a kid supposed to get? You turned out fine. I turned out fine. Pizza rolls and ramen noodles, man. Nobody can afford to take their kids out to eat. What the heck? You're not a bad parent for giving that kid a Hot Pocket and a pizza roll and some ramen noodles in the evening. Order pizza on Fridays. Let them smash the pizza on Fridays, and you guys are going to be good to go. But any other time, man, you guys aren't going out to eat. That's ludicrous. Hurrah! Collab with the GOAT Lou. I couldn't collab with Lou if I wanted to, Sergio. I couldn't collab with Lou if I wanted to. I wouldn't be able to post any of that dude's content on my channel. He's got too dirty of a mouth to be able to post any content on the channel. So even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to do it. Every other word, and I'm not going to take the time to edit. I don't edit my videos, so I'm not going to take the time to edit and bleep out every word that he says. When we were kids, we had 29-cent soda drinks, 3-cent bubble gum, and Taco Bell, $5. You get 20 things of food. John Jay, man, it's facts, and we did just fine. So just feed those kids some pizza rolls, man. AMC to the moon. Sammy boy, let's get it. Clay bro, have you paid attention to Mullen recently? Do you think it will get delisted? Did he do that? So I have not paid close attention to the delisting talks about Mullen. My dad was trying to tell me earlier that if Mullen doesn't close above $1 today, it's going to get delisted, and by like September 6th or something, it's going to get delisted. I question that, because didn't it regain compliance in May? when Mullen, man, that is a terrible graph. When Mullen reverse split back in May, okay, that was right here. It was back up above $1. The post-split equivalent of this is going to be $9, because we just had a 1-for-9 reverse split. So anything above $9 here is going to be compliance level. And that's, I think, why we had this yellow line on the chart here anyway. 1 day of compliance after that reverse split. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, 11 days. Literally 12 days closing above the $1 mark. You only need 10 to regain compliance. So I don't really know and understand what all the delisting talks are about in Mullen right now. I would have imagined that it regained compliance back here. If it did not regain compliance, then no, I absolutely do not think that Mullen is going to do very well, man. Molinado is probably going to be back down to 10 cents by September. Dang it, man. That is a big... we got to wish PS5 some good luck here, man, because he's getting liquidated on that trade at 27.2. If it falls down right now, he took that Bitcoin long at 27.7 right here. If he doesn't get a bounce, man, we might be heading really quick down to 27.2. So keep your eyes on that. And PS5, man, continue good luck with you. I have Mastermind. I don't know why AMC is running right now. I don't. It's not on super high volume. It's just a little bit of after hours run that we've got going on. I don't know if there's necessarily any news behind the reason AMC is running at the moment or not. When Claybro collab with the legendary Jay Ingram. Nufo. I forgot that dude's name, man. I gotta see. Oh, God. Why do you even remember that guy? I gotta see if he's still alive. I mean, on YouTube. Technically, I mean both of them. Let me... Where's my YouTube page at? Hold on. Richie's Playing Talk shows up when I type in YouTube. He's just like the auto guy that I go to. Guys. Stop. Guys, follow Richie's Playing Talk here. Okay? Go follow that guy. He's not, I don't think he's in here right now, but follow Richie's Playing Talk. Good dude, absolute bro, and always supporting the channel. So because this is the first guy that showed up, make sure you go follow Richie's Playing Talk on YouTube. Support him. Jay Ingram. Pretty sure. Holy smokes, dude. This guy's still alive. Oh, gosh. Wild, man. Wild. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I'm not going to pull his YouTube channel up. I don't necessarily condone any of the conduct that Jay Ingram's got going on out there. But, Nufa, if you were wondering, he is still alive, man, and he is still posting videos with his most recent video 2 days ago. And he's, like, got his dog in his backyard and a golf club in his hand. Pudgy, man, thank you very much. You know what you do with that hot dog? You take that hot dog, man, and you dip that hot dog. You don't shove it first. You dip it. You dip it in your favorite dip. When you're done dipping, you shove it. Thank you very much for the dip and shove technique, because we know that John Jay forgot how to eat a hot dog. Yes, Pudgy, man, showing the world. PS5, man, you're making me nervous. Trade closed, stopped out. Open yet another with OG, USDT, Bitcoin, 2 volatile Gs. All right, good. You got stopped out already? I thought your liquidation price was 27.2 there. Yeah, dude, Bitcoin's dropping hard right now. So I don't know what the volatility with Bitcoin is right now or why it's dropping so hard. But as you can see, man, Bitcoin is testing 27,500 right now, almost exponentially curving lower. And I would not be surprised to be testing this 27.2 in a matter of minutes based on the current curve that we are getting right here. So falling major today, man, from 29 all the way down. This is how strong support and resistance levels are, guys. This level's broken. This support level is broken on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin immediately wants to test the next level. That's why you can see when it's broken to the upside, it immediately wants to test the next level of resistance or support. When it's broken to the downside, it wants to immediately test the next level. So we are here. We've already touched with the 27.5. We've touched this little intermediary level right here. But the major level, 27. So we are on our way, PS5. And I don't know, man. It's looking like a pretty strong downward curve right there. Let's see. JB! What's going on, JB? Can I buy Shibarium? So maximum, Shibarium is not something that you can buy. Shibarium is a blockchain. Shib close to that support level. Shib is very close to the support level at 800 points per coin, guys. Shiba Inu coin coming down as well right here. It may have already touched support at the upper end of these wicks. If it doesn't find support there, I think we're touching 800, support on Shiba Inu coin there. But Bitcoin and Shib both having a pretty difficult day today. I don't know, but I have faith. Our greetings to him won't be ignored. Pika, they'll never be ignored by anybody. Ever. By me, at least. They're never going to be ignored by me. News! Hedgie's getting wedgies. Boomstick. That'll cause everything to go up. Dip and shove technique with boiled hot dog coming soon. Performed by yours truly. Yeah, you heard that right, Clay bro. Boiled hot dogs. Oh, God, guys. Leave your Discords closed all evening. Leave your Discords closed all evening. Nobody wants to see. Oh, man. You guys are getting me scared. Retail wants it cheap. They want to make it drop and buy it all up. Captain Kronos, man. We hope that that's what they do. I would love to see retail 100% in ownership of all cryptos and stocks. Unfortunately, institutions control the vast majority of money right now. Did he do that? AMC doing a stock buyback? I highly doubt that AMC is doing a stock buyback. Is that what news is floating around out there right now, or what? Bitcoin to 10K. I think we need some more news for Bitcoin to go back down to 10K. I think that the SEC's got to say, Bitcoin's illegal, or Bitcoin's a security, or another exchange has to go bankrupt if we expect Bitcoin to go all the way down to 10,000. That's a pretty significant drop. And when we touched 15, man, that's on news of FTX collapsing. That's following the Terra Luna Classic collapse. That's following all sorts of terrible, terrible news for the crypto market and a major, major problem with super high inflation as well. So I don't think it's going to be as easy as just wanting it to go to a good number. Best joke ever was skipped, making Pudgy sad. B is unlucky because B is just scrunched 13 is just a scrunched 13 together. That it could be, Pudgy. B would be very unlucky if it's just a scrunched 13. This is all true. You guys are extremely insightful. Bitcoin is dropping because people still boil hot dogs. Jesse, that would be the most accurate representation I have seen in a very long time. I think AMC is going to squeeze. Master, no. Not with this conversion plan and reverse split going through. So unless, some sort of a superhero comes through to save the day and stops these shares from entering the market, I do not think that AMC is going to squeeze. I'm not saying that to upset anybody. I'm not saying that for any other reason than I just don't think it's going to squeeze based on the conversion and all of these new shares. Squeezes happen when there's a certain level of short interest and short shares are required to close. And then they're required to close by buying them off of people who were unwilling to sell them. That's not going to be the case with AMC. After the split, there's going to be a total recorded short interest of 15 million short shares outstanding. Adam Aaron is immediately going to sell directly to the hedge funds 25 million shares of AMC. Why would we think that AMC is going to legitimately squeeze, knowing that they only have to cover 15 million shares? Because they're not just going to cover shares that aren't reported. And knowing they only have to cover 15 million shares, and Adam is going to directly sell to them 25 million shares. Where do we come into play in that entire situation? What power do we have in that entire situation? Clay bro, when the weekend comes, institutions don't, whales play, and the stock market opens on Monday. Everybody's getting wrecked next Tuesday. See you there. I don't want to get wrecked next Tuesday. Where the heck did that go? I don't want to get wrecked next Tuesday. Before we end the live stream, can you please recap what exactly happened yesterday when they did an announcement? What did they really say that hurt Shib building? So John Jay, man, they didn't necessarily say anything to hurt Shiba Inu coin yesterday. At the very beginning of the speech, they said that Shibarium is live, and it was live. You could go on there, you could bridge your assets, and all of that. During the presentation, they played some very, very strange video about some girl's father passing away, and before the hospital even notified the mother, who apparently wasn't there, apparently, before the hospital even notified the family, he had a Shiba Inu coin will set up that knew he had passed away and transferred the money to his daughter through Shibarium. Very strange on that one. And then on top of that, there was a presentation like in the metaverse with Satoshi, Cal, and Marcy Jastro talking about this society that they are building and the idea of true decentralization in this internet world that is going to kind of transfer into real life. This presentation was very strange, but the entire problem resulted in the fact that no assets were actually transferred over to Shibarium. People began to transfer about $1 million in Ethereum, and they transferred about $500,000 to $750,000 in Bone. They got stuck on the bridge, man. People don't have access to like over $3 million worth of their cryptocurrency right now. It's stuck on the bridge. Satoshi and the team are blaming this on the fact that they didn't have the proper bandwidth. And what in actuality may have happened was there may have been some problems in their code on the bridge. Now, how this bridge works, just to summarize it very quickly, is when you transfer from Ethereum's network over to Shibarium's network, you need to bridge that gap. So what happens is you send your assets, they get locked up in a safe, and they are stored in that safe. On the other end, your assets get minted on the Shibarium network. They're new assets. They are on a completely different network. When you no longer want them on the Shibarium network, you send them back over the bridge. It burns them off of Shibarium, and it unlocks your assets from that vault or from that safe and puts them back on to the Ethereum blockchain. They're stuck in that safe right now. Nothing has been minted on Shibarium. Everything is stuck in that vault, and we don't know if they can get it off that vault. So that's where a lot of the FUD is circulating from. That vault is essentially locked and it's stuck and so on. But they say it's simply bandwidth issues, and they're gonna get everything taken care of here pretty soon. John Jay, man. Meow. 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 Thank you very much for the super chat, John Jay. My goodness, guys. It was a long explanation. It is after 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back tonight with more videos. Make sure to watch them 100 times, guys. Click the like button on them. Leave some comments. Do some good stuff out there, and enjoy your evenings. We've got Pudgy saying, peace out of the Diamond-Handed King Turkeys, baby. Master, enjoy your day. See you later. We've got Dark Bro, Pika Power, Bry Guy, the Roy Fife, the Roy for Life. I think it's the Roy for Life. The Roy for Life, man. See you later. FUT Calix, enjoy your day. Night Cow, see you later, man. Shayesh Gupta, see you later. Shriyash Gupta. Will Shib rise again? I hope so, man. Rashad, enjoy your day. We've got Paul, see you later, man. Pudgy, see you later. Generic Way Mexican, see you later, man. Rashad, we've got Bry Guy, we got Outdoor Smile, Lamar, see it. SM Saman, enjoy your day. Brian, see you later, man. John J, enjoy it. We've got PS5, have a good evening. Bry Guy, Generic, see you later, man. Who knows? See you later. We got Night Cow, Gorilla, New Food, Puto, oh, Pika Powder, Puto, ahoo, yes. Pika Powder, see you later. 1776, see you, man. SM, Jesse, Outdoor Smile, or Old Rounder, bro, sorry. Pika Power, Master, Bry Guy, Jacob, who knows? All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. This dude, man. This dude. Nufo for an encore. Nufo, you take that hot dog and you dip that hot dog down in your favorite dip. When you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it in one bite. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. I knew you were coming for me. I knew it. Master, Bright Guy, Jacob, who knows, Bright Guy, DD214, John J, man, Peak of Power, Shriyash Gupta, we got Boomstick, Mr. Gupta, or is it Mr.? I don't even know. Shriyash Gupta, see you later. Nufo, Outdoor Smile, DD214, Sandra, SD, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.